Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get to Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Marcel, and with me this morning is my husband Marcel, and so just want to say thanks to everyone for your continued support. As you can see the road, if you're used to following us, we're heading up by Mass Navy, heading to Mass Navy and taking the journey as usual. Yeah, so road is a bit wet this morning, stones are slippery, but we are heading up nonetheless. Still have water in the road from yesterday.
Now we're water boat.
Yeah, if we had known that the road was like this morning, we would have just, wear some water boats, but well, the journey must go on. Ooh. First mistake we made this morning, we totally forgot about our backpacks because we went to the supermarket to do the grocery shopping for Mass Navy, and I have to say big up to the donor who has donated for Mass Navy's groceries and eye drops this morning. Much love and thanks.
You see what happened here, sir?
Highly appreciated. This tree breakdown.
Right across the road.
Oh. Oh wow. Also them have to cut it. It's a big tree,
Yeah.
Yes guys, so here we are heading up. Went to the supermarket like I was saying before, and came. It was when we reached where we had to stop and park the car and walk up to Mass Navy. We realized that we didn't have our backpacks. That's why you see Marcel have the box on his shoulder this morning.
Yeah, struggling.
And I have one of the bags in my hand. So we have to make it work. I can't turn back for it, for the bags that is. Alright.
Peace and love, brother.
Good morning, morning. Marcel, we Mass Navy am day. We left it?
Lord Jesus. And the church.
We leave it in our house?
Not yeah, they're not the bag.
Oh no.
Oh God.
Well.
Hey.
See that, guys? Well, going this morning, we don't know. But we had yam that we received, and we wanted to share with Mass Navy, so we're carrying a piece along with some chochas, but we left them. Mass Navy Marcel, they have to change shoulder.
Yeah. Mass Navy, I forgot to cook soup without yam.
You probably have yam. We'll see.
You can't walk fast on that.
Who, me? You know what happened?
No?
I don't have steady hands like you when it comes to this camera.
Just hold it.
Alright.
Steady feet if you have and walk.
Steady feet and walk fast.
Yes. Nobody now rest here, so.
Just don't reach this morning.
Just because me a lead. Why you not stop?
So it's a good while now we don't see Mass Navy. Last time we saw him on the road, and he said he didn't have anything at home, so we bought him a meal and a juice. That is what we could do at the time when we saw him. So he has been on our minds, because I believe that right now when we go, he'll tell us that there is nothing there. So
You must say run out.
Definitely.
You run out, but in my house same way. And you run out. You don't run out, gone now. You don't run out, gone now.
Want rest now?
Yes, yeah, give me some. Switch shoulder.
That box is quite heavy.
Step again.
Oh wow. I just need to go up that part here. The on the straight part and then with the close.
Yeah.
I bust a left, bust a right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's so cool, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
I tell you. Well, guys, going to Mass Navy is not easy at all. Not easy. I have to definitely like find the time and plan for it, because it's not as though, you know, because there are times when we have to go into Clarendon. No, we're in Trelawney, you know, we're on the border of Trelawney and Manchester. Have to go into Clarendon and come back. That's our schedule. And then now go by Mass Navy, you know, you have to walk. You could chance it and drive the car, because we have a few times before, but it don't work out at all, because you know, sometimes you drop in some of these potholes and then it's just hard to drive. Car all over the place, sliding and this and that. So we prefer to walk. But we're thanking God for His mercies, because we're able to walk.
Yes.
And as long as we can walk and there's breath in our bodies,
Walk and talk, don't you?
walk and talk. Yes. We can do it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
They're on the flat now.
Yeah, so we're pretty close. We soon reach.
Yeah, about 5 minutes.
5 minutes or so. So the infamous breadfruit tree here.
Yeah, really fun the pan it, you know.
It gone, them done. Oh yes, the breadfruit. Breadfruit up there.
Now look over there, sir. Look over the tree over there, sir.
Oh.
Some black one over there.
Oh. So guys, we kind of move backwards with this one. We pick the breadfruit, then we tell the owner afterwards. So he grant us permission. Him like, you can pick any amount you want.
Yes.
So when we're coming back, if we see a stick last time, oh, Mass Navy stick we borrowed the last time.
Yeah, you say again.
Yeah, probably make him follow us. So if we get to pick the breadfruit, then we can give him 2 breadfruit or so.
You know what, more or one?
Or one.
Box. Yeah, to switch shoulder again.
Heavy, not true.
God, I tell you.
Yeah, Mass Navy radio.
Yeah?
So we're pretty close. I'm radio, that not true?
Yes. Alright, Rasta man. Rasta Bibo.
Bibo.
You find somewhere for walk? Oh. You might be gam.
Yeah.
Breeze blow down the ground. And the apple tree pop down.
Yep, all the things are gone.
Yeah.
So with apple tree here, the limb pop off or from up in the center there. A lot of breeze.
Enough breeze blow, man.
I think we reach up here in a record time.
Yes. No, a CD. This is not a record. It's a CD.
I don't know what I'm going this morning. Whoa. Here's so slippery, Marcel.
It's wet.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Jesus. We are here.
We are the Mass Navy.
Reach, man.
We are dead. Jesus.
Man, you must be so relieved, Marcel, because you have that heavy back switching shoulders. Whoa.
That's never I listen people attack.
You have
What you have a
dog.
dog? Where you deal with Mas, Papa?
Mas Neve.
Oh gosh.
Oh, go on.
Mas Neve.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Morning, how you do?
Not too bad, ma'am.
Oh Lord.
Rain, man.
Yeah.
Oh my.
We're sweat Mas Neve. Time hot now.
And the rain fall so.
Yeah.
Where you deal with? What you have there?
I have to wait for me to take me to the hot me.
Hey, that hurt you?
Yeah.
I take your pressure pill.
Yes, ma'am. You know, you go anywhere, man, brother.
Him and no Mandeville.
I love you collect the thing there for me.
What?
The eye job.
Okay. Oh Lord. So those that you got from the clinic last time, them finished?
Yes, man. Done for last week.
Okay.
Last week then done.
Oh wow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mas Neve.
Yeah.
Where you say I'm going now?
Yeah.
Aye, sir. So Mas Neve,
Yes, ma'am.
we know last time we see you say you never have nothing. Did you get anything?
No.
You get nothing? No. So you managed from at the time till now?
I tell you, say, I didn't man, so, Mrs. Dig piece of yam give me one time. When I mean, the yam, no, give me 2 pieces of it, too.
So we take a piece of yam for carry and give in a bag.
No, I mean, had 2 pieces, right?
Oh, you have?
I had 2 pieces, right? I know what I want the salt thing, you know.
You know, no salty.
Yes, I tell me. I tell me problem all the while.
So when you get...
I mean, I look at rice, still a little flour, but you know, nothing.
Yeah, if you go with it.
Go with it. I consider, say, when you come to them, you know, me that my heart, I look, say, when you see by Sunday, boy.
Did I look for you Sunday?
Sunday, I come, when me say, me no sooner than this a week, you know.
Oh, okay.
For me, it was a school time and all, and things, so. I have to jump out, so me say, boy. Oh, me that man.
But you know, thanks be to God,
yes,
because we have an anonymous donor.
Yes, ma'am.
She and her husband has donated.
Yeah.
And she asked us to get you an eye drops and yes, and to buy your groceries. So we stopped to get the eye drops, so it never worked out this morning. We never got it. So we'll have to go back for that. But we bought the groceries and bring to you, because we know so you need the groceries. So we have to go come back with the eye drops when we get it. You hear?
So now, what I take this again?
I don't know how you want to do it. We don't know when we're going to Mandeville.
The airdrop there?
Yes, sir.
Why? The prescription?
Yes, sir.
So the prescription, give us, maybe we can carry it to the pharmacy.
You know, I said the prescription.
So we can send me a Mandeville. I would like a special place over there.
Yes, you know,
because in go to the hospital and get it for free.
So it's free when they go over there?
Yes.
Yeah, it's free at the clinic.
Yes.
But it don't make no sense we burn gas go over there.
Yeah, because it's distance.
The airdrop cost.
Because the eye drops is for 3,000 something. Alright, me soon look for it. You know, makes sense, Mas Neve. If you can't, if it's a case where I couldn't get it to buy.
Oh, yeah.
But by the time if you drive from Chulani into
Mandeville. You go away there.
Yeah, we go that way, but if you
plan to go now
to Mandeville right now.
You know that, sir.
Yes.
So, if you buy it, you don't need to take out in that still. You don't need to take out, you buy it then. When we have it clear, me eye clean, when we have it, you know.
Yeah, we understand. Yes. So yeah, since the donor has donated for this one, we buy this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe by then we'll get to go to Mandeville or something.
Yes.
Or you know.
Yeah.
But we bought your grocery and we buy your mangoes bread. Do you like? I don't know if a mangoes bread is what this one you say you like, don't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Stretch out your hand.
Yeah.
That one, Colleyville Bakery bread.
Yes, ma'am.
I advertise for Colleyville Bakery.
You know, like this last one, are you? I say in time to get in it, but I don't know for about that neither.
Yeah, so I see we buy some chicken. I put receipt up here, so here.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to go put some in the fridge. Alright, so pretty much we have everything in the box. You can pull the box, Marcel. Buy a lot of oats because we know you like have the oats, so you don't have to cook.
It help me. What you see when you roll out, you have to get the Lasco.
We buy a Lasco, one big one.
Yes, ma'am. Right here. Yeah.
So, Marcel, I'll pack it out for you. Yeah. And of course, special thank you to
Yes, ma'am. God bless you.
our donors, husband and wife. God bless you richly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we're more than appreciative. Come just in time, Master Navy.
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
I start use at the oil later.
Him have a whole heap of cooking oil.
Yes. That means I go start the now.
What, the cooking oil?
Yes, I click the now.
Oh, the big jug finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Finish yesterday. Some more down, Mr. couldn't go to church. Why we road bad?
Yeah, man, the road slippery and muddy.
Jesus, soon, boy.
Yeah. Road bad. So we couldn't even attempt to drive this morning because it will go all over the place.
Man.
We always a slide.
Man.
Yeah. So what you eat this morning, Master Navy?
You know, say, I took right now, sitting in the box, so I took
Yes,
yes, I took say I'm fry now.
Oh, you fry yam this morning?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
So,
and bleach.
If I didn't have.
Bleach then.
Right, yes, ma'am.
Besides something to wash your plate.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
I have no soup, not
Biscuit and
Put up the bleach carefully.
yes, me with the man attack say, in my fully beach, you know, and the cake, and the dip in him, you know.
How?
No, you say my pull it and so on. God after and the Marcel beach, then pull it.
Oh, okay.
Dip in him.
Oh, Lord.
Marcel, you can cook soup today, because I have hot soup.
Yes, sir.
So we get your rice and you have your rice, Master Navy. White rice, you say you like.
Yes, man.
Buy that.
Yeah, man. This I did want to tell it people.
Oats and cock soup.
Yes. Yes, sir. If
No,
I go to say when you ain't carry me a more for a good thing, you come back in.
Marcel, look here. This I know, though.
Yes, sir.
You can just boil that
Yes.
You have 6 of them here.
Yes, sir.
Then in a pan.
Yes.
And you have 6 packs of oats as well.
And your pack soap, they have to make a soup.
Yes, sir.
You say you can't cook it out, but I can say super.
Right, sir. Butter, man. Yes, man. You know where you are. If I butter in the rice, make it better, you know. If you not, you got no thing, you put the butter in the rice, you know, for. Yeah, work, you know.
Yeah.
So what is rice and one drink?
Yes, sir. God bless.
2 more today here.
Yes, sir.
The 4 of them.
3 more is there.
Ah, God bless the
Put them in a pan, yeah?
Yes, man. God bless the people.
Yes.
God bless them.
Get it to Sir Paul. Hold on.
I have your onion,
Get it here.
garlic.
Yes, sir. If I get no garlic, it's good time.
Here, Master Navy.
No garlic. Garlic, 30%.
You have sugar?
No, sir.
Sugar, yeah.
Sugar drink.
Everything done, Master Navy.
Everything.
You have to stir it out to lift.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Sardine and mackerel and
Yes. Yes, man. This is what you want.
You have to feel them out and so you know where you have. You have
maybe
No, sir. Go as name. Go as name buckle.
syrup.
Ah. So, sit on this, sir. Sit on right and right there.
You have 1 sugar bottle, Master Navy?
Yes, ma'am.
Master Navy, what you doing? You tie them up. You need a better bag because that thing tear. Hold on. Yeah, rest them in the box. Are the box empty now?
Right.
So see your food pan full up.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
full. I don't know if it have got locked. And you have enough tin mackerel and sardine and you have your meat there, so.
Right.
Did you get which part? How you go put up? How you go manage now with the extra? You put up your where?
What man?
The meat.
You get to put up now.
Chicken.
You get to put up.
Just cook out right now.
Yes, sir. Tony.
Put up the rest.
Yes, sir. I may have yam and me cook it. I just said no good did that too.
That's let me help you with that. And you put
When
in
the box done, you put it in.
box here. Let me see it here.
Yes, sir. Let me see it. Yes, sir. Right, sir.
The right side is syrup.
Yeah. It's a bleach.
Yes.
The cock soup them. You make the cock soup them stay in a pan.
Yes, sir.
You find it, not
Yes, man. We think when you go and put them down in the pan then. You find it.
Maybe I take a sip out of
You run out everything and tell me run out everything and always come.
Yeah.
That's how God works. Right on time, just in time.
Yes, man. God bless you too.
But we know you did low from we see the last time.
Yes, man. Yeah. Put them in this, sir.
Them all in the only.
You have one there?
This, sir. Yes, man. This I can boil save you.
Yeah, man. And 5 more of them and 6 of them we carry.
All right, sir. Yeah. God bless, man.
God bless you too.
I still one side I burn a work.
I'll go one side of the room.
Remember one burnout?
One burn out.
So
What forgot get you one new stove?
then it can't work.
No, nobody try light it. We have to change the stove.
All right.
It burn out, so you might go light and it blow. The
yes,
flame
You
come
can't
out.
light.
Can't light none
You
at
can't
all.
light it burn off completely.
Burn that clean complete. All right.
Yeah.
God bless.
So where you stick there?
You stick on this, sir?
Oh, I'm going to pick 2 breadfruit out of a breadfruit tree.
Yes, sir. I tell you, you know, pick guinea.
Guinea ready?
I see them come there and pick, so you have to try.
I would have for me and the kids, Marcel, no full round guinea.
A guinea, not full around me.
Oh, you only give me go.
Him not try it.
Yes, see. See back your pouch.
You take out this
You
something.
take out
Oh, you're not going to take it.
So if you want to know, sir, if you get it, you know, you see, and you don't see me, you just give me fuel or give the bread out there.
Right.
If you can't.
The eye drops to carry it up.
Oh, yeah.
If you can't reach up here, you just give me fuel of them.
Anything me have to give you, I can't give it to her.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes we could have sent something to you, know, but we can't come, we never check, you know.
Yes, you could have given man.
We know say we can't, no, we know say we can't give her.
Yes, sir.
Can you will see her?
Yes, sir.
Marcel, how you?
If me let me see her, she will carry come.
Sure, or send it up. How your hand shake some Marcel?
Nerves, man. No, we can't get nothing for nerves.
Mas never nervous to see we. I was sleep on this sponger.
Nobody wants sleep on it.
So where they are, Sado?
We just put it back out, you know. Back out to
Back out breeze.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You could go look where Guinea tree look like.
Yes, I use this stick on this one.
Marcel guinea tree. You could have try and see.
Have you eaten none?
What?
You eaten none Guinea yet?
Yeah, come there.
Oh.
Yeah, I say you know.
Now, if you pick none of this and eat it.
Banabis?
No, the Guinea.
You get none? Nobody give you any?
No, ma'am.
Now, where you go? Where you stagger?
They say them come in and come pick it and I tell them say them pick it like we don't do the yaki. And nobody no get none.
Wow. But it's hard to even climb this tree. This tree kind of funny looking, gone over the gully part.
One broke off one limb.
Yeah.
Why? Them small still, you know, them look really small.
Oh, but might be, you have to should be pick up a higher one them. The bigger one up in your head.
It's like a whole limb. It come down?
Yeah, one limb.
Oh, but it looks so big.
Yeah, zoom the camera.
Yeah, that's why it look like that. It's just a little. Oh, there it is.
So you have to go test it.
Let me see.
They look young. They're Likkle.
Maybe they're very small.
Take one of them.
Kind of steamy. It's all good. Okay. I'll pick no more.
They're not ready then. So I carry this?
They're not bad though, you know.
One more?
They're not bad. Good pick it. You don't want too much though. That good. Come, pick no more.
I mean, I can bush.
I pick off all the leaf them right there, so.
Devil is a liar. Yeah, I can see them dry up on the tree there.
Yeah. Oh, so.
One open pad.
The ackee done really quick though, them fall off. It was plenty. It's so soft.
Master, if you want to bunch of guinea.
No, sir.
Seven one again. Okay.
One more?
No. It's fine.
Can I take him at Joseph?
How you do that? Oh, I have to wash them off? No, thank you. That'll take long.
Could I eat this one? I couldn't tell me nothing now. No, when I done with the tree.
Then I'll listen, not true.
Your fermented tree broke down last night.
Yes, you know, see, I love so far to have parts, you know, see, I let you they broke down too.
Yeah, down there, sir.
I saw up here the windy.
That's so much breeze blow up, yeah?
Yeah, I wrote it black down there, you know.
Yeah.
Everything popped down.
Everything popped down. You know, but then I can't.
Gungo them pretty mass navy.
Yeah, I tell you, say, another four, I no got more, you know, for me to plant to go right up the sun.
Oh, but then they may not see them again.
No, mommy.
Can I drop your door?
Yes, sir. The boy, they go take them from the cellar. Go take them out. Take with them.
Alright, so I'm going to look at breadfruit.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's why I carry up the stick?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're going to look at breadfruit.
Oh, that's why I must never sit down out here, so.
Yes, yes, sir.
I did not remember.
Yeah.
We're not closing my service, so.
Yeah.
Hold on for the microphone a little bit more.
Yeah. In my battery, we might have to go use the camera, man.
Okay. Oh. Yeah. So let me just.
No.
Alright guys, so we're going to end the video here,
Yeah.
but of course we're going to pick breadfruit afterwards. Mas nephew come with us. Our new habit that we develop now, you know, Mas nephew go pick breadfruit.
Yes, sir.
But guys, thank you so much. Thanks to the donor who has donated.
Thank them too, man.
Yes, you are very welcome.
God bless them for them still remember me, man.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
Still remember me, sister.
Alright, so I got breadfruit.
Well, what it me need at it. Need
Yes.
that boy you give me.
Yes.
But me can get to work again.
Get up.
Alright, let's go to the breadfruit tree then.
Yes, sir.
So far, at 2 minutes.
Okay guys, so we reached the breadfruit tree.
One limb broke down up there.
Yeah, probably from the heavy wind. Oh, oops. We see two, you know, the same two.
One down left and one.
But see two over your head right here. One lower and then there's one above.
And stick short with this.
Uh-oh. Can't catch it. Maybe that's why it's up there still.
That's why I'm sticking up here saying what you can reach.
Then probably use it pick the low down ones. Small snevy coming.
Yes. Can reach the low down one?
No load on one.
No low down one I did it because it pretty much finished.
Yes. Yeah, now get none.
Yeah. Me want to climb part of the tree.
Yes, man, do know that.
No,
No, sir. So can you the pine tree?
so that to shake the tree.
You get two it alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Plan B.
What's plan B?
Plan B, you have to pick the breadfruit.
I just left it.
Plan A, I did fit try.
Man, look on that one up there.
Plan B, you have to pick it.
Where is it? So big and pretty. It's not that one, is it? No, can't find it.
This is still a drop out tight.
Cause you took it.
The plan B, yeah.
Do you stand up on something?
Black.
Whoa! Gone down a gully.
And you drop like you right.
Yeah.
It ripe?
So.
Ew.
You have to go roast it.
So one down here, so we're alright.
Roast it.
Stand up. Alright, now get them food first. Alright. You're just happy.
That's why I drop light. Nope. What happened to your airdrop? Uh-oh. You get the breadfruit though?
Huh?
You get the breadfruit.
Yeah.
You get up quick, so that means you're good.
So when people drop, they get up quick, you know. No care how much it's you always fly up.
Yeah.
One day up there so pretty, but you can't pick.
You see how far up, and it's big too, you know, I try to catch it.
Now when you say, you know, I use this stand up one. Wait there.
Can't find that breadfruit, looking for it to see it, but I can't. Which one you see? Over this tree?
Yeah. Yes, get him. Get him, not you?
Yes, but you know it's a him, but get it.
Yeah? One man with our head, so.
That firm? Think
Yeah,
it.
it's firm. Don't hold it. Oh Jesus, you look at me, they're too far still.
I don't think so.
No, because it's top part.
Just joke it.
No.
Alright. Mission look impossible. We have two, we can give us everyone and we have one, so. You don't want a breadfruit? So why you make we under tree so long?
How much never you talk about?
You don't like it? Okay.
If I try you one leaf make you not love breadfruit, you make you coward.
I'm going to put it down for you see when I get when you're there? Put in that two boil. Let me boil the whole of it, you can't have it.
Yeah, too much.
You know, say right.
Marcel, that look lean, man.
Yeah, my place lean.
So, just leave that breadfruit.
Who said that?
Lord have mercy. Guys, wanna see what Marcel make down there? 3 blocks.
Still have to put more black.
No, sir. And it's slant, you better come.
My breadfruit is over here.
But you can't go over there.
That's what, I go over there?
No.
Let me look what I go on over there.
You don't know about it.
Over there we are go.
Oh boy.
Oh, in the corner down back.
You don't that to man.
Rope better pick them too.
Call him, you have a number so you pick it.
He not climb.
I may call. You see stick mass, Navy?
Yes, you done so now?
Yes, sir.
Wait, hold it shorter, hold on. Come up more, come up in there. You're dry, I carry it.
I carry it.
4, 7.
The number not work.
Wait, mass, Navy.
Maybe we need to chop down the tree.
Make we any video, Marcel.
I'm more up there, and she want next one up on top. Come on, Snevy.
Marcel, let's end the video and then we'll say thanks. Drop your stick. Alright guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much to our donors. God bless you richly. And yes. Yes, man, indeed. Alright, so until next time, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye bye. Yeah, till we meet again. Yeah.
Alright, Papa Nev.
Take care.
Yeah, we sorry not get 1 dozen breadfruit today.
Yes, sir.
You never want none, Marcel.